Spice up your day with a delectable chicken masala, a gem from the heart of India. Start with tender pieces of chicken marinated in a blend of yogurt and aromatic spices. Let it soak in the symphony of flavors. Next, heat a splash of oil, toss in cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Add finely chopped onions, cooking until they turn a golden hue. Now comes the magic, a vibrant mix of spices, turmeric, coriander, red chili, and the star of the show, garam masala. Stir until the spices blend with the onions, giving off a tantalizing aroma. In goes the marinated chicken, cooked until it absorbs the beautiful flavors. A dash of tomato puree and simmer until perfection. Voila, chicken masala, a dish that dances on your palate, bursting with the essence of India. So why wait? Give it a try and taste the magic. Until next time, keep exploring the flavors of the world.